Sai Hira Ram, everybody. With the blessings of Sai Hiral Shah, today we are making Idli Batter, the perfect base for soft and fluffy idlis. With proper soaking and careful grinding, this patient fermentation will help you make the best idlis ever. The ingredients include idli rice, poha, and urad dal. First, wash the idli rice, poha, and urad dal well and soak them for 8 hours. After 8 hours, drain the excess water and add everything to a grinder. Grind this into a coarse paste, not too thin and not too thick. Transfer the batter to a deep bowl and allow it to ferment approximately for 8 more hours. After fermentation, the batter will rise slightly and become airy in texture. Just before making the idlis, add some salt and a little bit of eno. Gently stir this batter. You will see that it has become nice and fluffy. And that's it. Your perfectly fermented idli batter is ready. This is the ideal base for soft idlis. Use it fresh and it becomes an ideal breakfast item. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. With the blessings of Sai Hiral Shah, we will be back again with another beautiful recipe very soon. Sai Hira Ram.